Hello. This is a regular sewing machine. Okay, this video just to show the functionality of the pedal. Okay, this electric sewing machine, and this is the pedal. Okay. For the pedal, it is use electricity. Means when you press just a little, then the current flow to the machine just a little, then the machine will rotate in a slow rotation. When you press it full, then the sewing machine will go fast. Okay, different with industrial machine. This is a industrial machine. The name of machine is Juki. It is from Japan. Okay, this is just how it's look like. This is a switch, and bottom here we got a motor, very big motor, and this is the for up and down that part, and this is the pedal. Okay, this pedal is different to the machine because this pedal doesn't use any electricity. This is just mechanical parts. Okay, if you see when I'm pressing the pedal, the pulley will move. Yeah, the pulley is engaged and disengaged to the motor. When we on the switch, the motor will run, and then to make the machine rotation, it use a clutch. That clutch will work as a engage and disengage. When you press a little bit of this pedal, the clutch will engage just a little, and when you press all go there, the pulley will follow the speed of the motor. If let's say the motor, if a rotation, let's say 100 rotation per minute, and then the pulley also go the same value as a motor. So let me show you the demonstration. Okay, first on the switch. Okay, when you on the switch, the motor will on, but the pulley doesn't move. Then when you press the pedal just a little, okay, you see the pulley moving. Okay, you see there's a pulley. Okay, when I press maximum, it will go fast. Okay, I hope this video will answer your question about the Juki machine or industrial high speed machine. Okay, if you have any question, you can leave at a comment below. Okay, thank you.